Understanding roof repair, an English language lesson. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we'll be exploring the phrase, roof repair. This term is commonly used in everyday conversations, especially when discussing home maintenance. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. The phrase, roof repair, refers to the process of fixing or restoring a roof. A roof is the top covering of a building, which protects it from weather elements like rain, snow, and sun. When we talk about repairing a roof, it involves activities like replacing broken tiles, sealing leaks, or repainting it to prevent water damage. Understanding this term is crucial, especially when discussing housing or construction topics. Roof repair is used in various contexts. Here are a few scenarios. Home improvement, when discussing renovating or maintaining a house. Emergency situations, after damage due to storms or natural disasters. Real estate discussions, when buying, selling, or renting a property, the condition of the roof might come up. Understanding the context will help you use this phrase effectively. To help you get a better grasp, let's look at some examples. We need to get the roof repaired before the rainy season. The storm caused significant damage, and now roof repair is urgently needed. As part of the house inspection, we should check if any roof repairs are necessary. I hope this video has helped you understand the term, roof repair, and how to use it in different contexts. Remember, learning a language involves understanding not just words but the situations in which they are used. Keep practicing, and you'll get the hang of it in no time. See you in our next lesson.